Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Me? The wind. Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Death Note Season 1, the only season. Episode 10, I just watched the episode 9. If you want to see my reaction video about that, I'm gonna put the link into the eye. Normally, I'm gonna be able to watch 2 more episodes today. Normally, if I have the time, if I'm not talking too much in intro and review, which is the case, which was the case, I think, for the episode 9 because of what happened during the episode 9. No, they didn't kiss, but they met! That's the beginning of a love relationship, you know, they met. I'm sure that I can find fanfics about L and Light together. Come on, it has to exist. I'm sure of it. It's almost a rule, you know, with cultural stuff, you know, popular stuff like that. Like, if it's popular, you can be sure that at least a fanfic is written about one of the characters with someone else. I'm sure that there are plenty of fanfics for this too. Because of the fact that they are like each other, that they are both clever, because of the fact that this cat and mouse game that they are playing with each other, you know, they are investigating on each other. Right there they met, and we had the cherries leaves, you know, like that, flying when they met. Like, really, it was something romantic. It's fun. Oh, I have to stop thinking about it, you know, about that possibility of fanfic. I'm not gonna take them seriously if I'm doing that. I mean, them, these two, they met. I was shocked by it. I understand Elle's logic, you know, behind that, because really, in fact, the last episode was divided in 2 parts. First part, Elle is losing his calm. Elle doesn't know what to do anymore. Elle has to find a new solution to stop following Kira's steps and to begin to anticipate things, to change his way to do things. That's why he's meeting Light and he's saying to Light who he is, the fact that he is Elle. And that's why in the second part we have Light losing his calm, who doesn't know what to do anymore, who is totally panicking because of the fact that he can't control the situation, it's not going as he planned, and he's saying it at the end. Elle got him with that river. He got him because he surprised him, but also because he blocked him in a way. First part of the episode, we saw how this investigation is disturbing Elle. He's beginning to be obsessed with it. You know, his eyes like that, like he was not panicking, but he was getting annoyed of the situation, like, what can I do now? I'm blocked, I still suspect Light, but I don't know how to prove that he's Kira. We have to take out all of the cameras, but I want to keep an eye on him. What can I do? And after that, we saw Light being psychotic. If Elle is obsessed, Light is psychotic, really. How he lost his temper, screaming like that and all. He panics. That's really something about Elle and Light, you know. They are really like each other. They have a lot of things in common, including the fact that they are both clever, but also how they are thinking, you know, the way that they are thinking. But something that I like about Elle, it's the fact that he has doubts. He's not like Light is Kira and all. It's one of the suspects. Is also seeing stuff like it's under 5% possible that this is Kira and all. He's still thinking that maybe it's possible that it can be another suspect or someone that he doesn't know and all. When Light is so confident of himself, his ego is his big weakness, and right there, Elle, by doing that, humiliated him in a way, because it blocked him, because he wanted to read his emotions, because he thinks that he can do stuff and all. Really, Light felt like it was a humiliation to see Light being touched like that in his ego. Oh, he lost his temper, his calm, even more than how he lost his calm, you know, with Naomi, the FBI agent's fiancée, when it didn't go like he planned and all. Already he was losing his calm, but right there it was so worse than that, because it was Elle, because he felt like it was a humiliation. That was really something. And after that, the loss that he had, psychotic. You're really, you want to be good. Elle, he knows it about Kira, that Kira wants to be good, but also that Kira is childish and he has a strong ego and all of that. I said it during the review of the last episode. One thing which is important that Light said, the fact that he wants to kill Elle no matter what, even if he has to do it himself. And I think that it's something really, really, really important for the character, for his development. And the fact that at some point, Light is gonna kill someone by himself. Maybe not Elle, at least at first, but he's gonna kill someone by himself, and that's gonna be a limit really for his character, because if he's doing it, when he's gonna do it, he's not gonna be able to say that he's good, you know. It's not gonna work with the idea that he has and that he wants people to have about Kira, about that god of revenge, that god of the new world. If you are doing it yourself, Light, it's different, you know. It's not something miraculous, it's not something coming from another power, a big power and all. It's yourself, it's involving you even more into this death, which is already the case. He's involved into all of these deaths, but you know, it's different to do it yourself than to write a name. And again, for Light's psychology, all of this dream that he has about who Kira is has to represent for people. That's something. The Shinigami also, we saw one of them saying that he was gonna come, you know, into our world to see who was that human who is with Ryuko right now. Another Shinigami. That's gonna be hard to handle. I'm not sure of what role he's gonna take, you know. Is he gonna help? Is he gonna just be a viewer like that, like, okay, so you're that person? Or is he gonna do something to block Light? It could be interesting for some episodes to see Light being blocked like that by Elle, like right there. Elle, he won that battle, when Light won a lot of battles before that with the ships situation and all. That moment, it was Light who won. Right there, during the last episode, it was Elle who won. They're gonna become friends. At least they're gonna be classmates. That's gonna be so weird. It's a good way for them to investigate on each other, to discover more about each other, but the fact that it's happening during the episode 9 of the show, I mean, I still have 28, including this one, 28 episodes to watch. It's a lot, and I didn't imagine the two of them meeting so quick. I thought that it could be like the episode 20 or something like that. So quick into the show, it means that for a long time, for at least, I don't know, with the rhythm of this anime, at least for 5 episodes, they're gonna be friends, they're gonna go out together and all. So weird. Because yes, they are like each other for how they are thinking, how clever they are, but they are different also for their looks and for how they are thinking of life, you know, for their principles and ideas. It's gonna be so weird. And like that also, how is he gonna react? I'm not sure of it. When he's gonna discover that his kid is still one of the main suspects, so much that Elle made friends with him. I'm not sure that Elle made friends with all of the suspects, you know, that they have into the shortlist. Okay, so I'm gonna stop this intro right now and I'm gonna watch this episode. Like usually, you have my Patreon on which you have the episodes earlier. For Death Note, it's at least 1 week earlier, if it's not more. Check the description to know that. And also with a full or extended reaction part. It's at least 5 or 6 minutes longer and with a longer screen, if you can understand what I mean. For short episodes like that, it's a lot, you know, so if you can be interested by that or just to support me, go check the description. And also by the time that you are watching this on YouTube and on Patreon, I think that for my schedule and what I remember of it, it means that each week you're gonna have more than 1 episode of Death Note. It's cool, no? I hope that you're satisfied about it. Let's go for this episode 10.
I have to admit, I was surprised for you, guy. I never thought you'd ask me to play tennis as a way to get to know each other. Not at all.
You're gonna play tennis?
It's been a while, but at one time I was actually the British junior champion.
Ah! You're gonna be competitive and all?
I know Kira hates to lose.
Aha.
15 love.
It's been 4 months since this case came to the public's attention and they want
4
results.
months
People are
already?
saying that the NPA is incompetent. The rest of the department runs away with their tails between their legs and we're incompetent? Do you have any idea how many people are left at task force headquarters these days? Then you want to suppress the fact that most of our detectives would rather let a serial killer roam free than risk their lives.
You are brave, you are also tired.
What about this L character?
In my
Interesting.
opinion, he's a lot more capable than we are. Right now, even as we speak, he's risking his life. Relax, Light. While it's true that Kira hates losing, it's also true that most people would rather win than lose. It's human nature. I suppose I could just lose on purpose, but if I do, it could work against me. Since he'd expect Kira to want to win, he might also expect me to throw the match to avoid suspicion.
You blocked the two of you
I have to assume he has some
and you're thinking about that game too much.
There's no way this tennis match will deepen our friendship. This is a token gesture, an elaborate act we'll go through so we can say we're closer. And then you're going to try and trap me by getting me to say something.
They're anticipating, you know, the other one move, not only during the game, but for their friendship.
If you want me to discuss Kira with you, it only makes sense that I want to ask for proof that you are in charge of the investigation. We'll have to go to task force headquarters.
Nah.
In all things, one cannot win with defense alone. To win, you must attack. Game and set! Won by Light Yagami! 6 games to 4!
GG, Light.
You want to go somewhere for a drink? You humored me with the tennis match. The least I can do is answer some of your
You
questions.
want a date?
I suspect that you, Light Yagami, are in fact Kira.
You said what?
You think I'm Kira? Well, when
You-
I say I suspect you,
You keep surprising me, Elle. You're playing transparent with him.
because no matter how little he says he suspects me, it means he has grounds to prevent me from meeting anyone on the task force.
If he's Kira, he knows that you're suspecting him, so you're saying it directly that you're suspecting him.
Sit here, there's no chance of anyone overhearing us. So out of the way here, no one's going to give you a hard time about the way you sit. I don't sit like this because I want to. I have to sit like this.
Why?
Photographs of 3 notes written by prison inmates while under Kira's control just prior to their deaths. You can take as long as you want to look them over. Please let me know what you think.
The apples thing.
If you line these notes up side by side and take a look at the first letter of every line, it reveals a message. Rearranging it like this.
Too quick, maybe?
Gods of death love apples. But there are obvious print numbers on the back of all these photographs. L, do you know? Love apples, gods of death. That doesn't sound right. That's incorrect. The thing is, there were actually 4 photographs. L, do you know? Gods of death who love apples have red hands. It's a fake. I never made it.
But you can't say it.
But seeing as I only had 3 photographs to work with, my deduction was perfect. No.
Aha! Your ego!
Damn him. This wasn't just about gauging my deductive reasoning skills. He wanted to see what my reaction would be. In any case, the likelihood this message will lead you to Kira is not very great. Besides, we all know gods of death don't exist. If you were
Nah.
me, probably try to get him to say something that was never made public in any way. Something that only Kira could know. Kind of like what you were doing just now. You immediately thought of a scenario in which Kira is speaking directly to the investigator. I'm impressed. You'll make a fine detective.
You really think
It's a
so?
bit of a double-edged sword.
That you're impressed?
I'm in a position where even if you are Kira, it would still be to my benefit to have you working alongside us. If I cooperate with you,
You're
there's a
playing
chance I
risky
can help the
right there,
investigation to move
yeah.
forward. And if I'm Kira, I might reveal myself. You sure talk a lot, don't you, Light? Typical for someone who hates losing. You got 7%.
Nah.
Now, if I understand you correctly, and I take you to task force headquarters, you'll help us with the investigation. Does this guy have a death wish? I don't understand. What's he thinking?
Ryuzaki, I have some bad news.
Light, your father is...
Light, it's your... My father.
What?
He had a heart attack.
No, I like him.
So the doctors think stress was the only cause?
Yeah. To be honest, I thought it was Kira when I first collapsed, but I'll be
No.
alright.
I'm gonna kill you myself, like, if you're doing that.
That's correct. This man is L. To protect his identity.
You had your
we task
confirmation,
force
like...
referred to him as Ryuzaki.
If I get rid of him and the rest of the investigative team, no. No, let's face it, it wouldn't be that simple. Light Yagami was worried for his father.
Mm-hmm. Play your role
Now
to
that
be a
you've had
good
the chance to talk to my
son.
is he cleared as a suspect?
Ryuga, I'd like to help with the investigation. Also, I'd like nothing more than to catch Kira so I can prove once and for all that I'm not him.
No, Light.
Your father just had an heart attack because of stress.
Do you remember my promise? That if something ever happened to you, I would find Kira and make sure he gets executed.
Fucking I
This doesn't
quit.
seem like an act to me. Or if it is, it's too cheesy.
Light, this is pure. We can all agree on that.
I love so much how he's judging like
This
it.
kind of power is cursed. No matter how you use it, no true happiness can be obtained like that. Not by killing other people.
If Kira is just a normal person who somehow obtained this awful power, I would say that he's cursed.
I love how the two are thinking. Something to say, like?
If you aren't Kira, it won't be necessary. Let things run their course and the truth will be revealed. I can't take this anymore. Put yourself in my position. How do you think it feels to be accused? It was one of the worst feelings ever. What if you were to lock me up for a
It
month?
was? He didn't say it would be, he said it was.
Listening to that conversation between you and your father, I was almost convinced. I know I agreed to help with the investigation, but I don't think I'll be able to do much until my father is healthy. Light Yagami, are you not Kira?
He has doubts.
I never once felt cursed since I picked up the death note. In fact, the thought never even crossed my mind. I'm happier than I've ever been. I'm going to create a perfect world.
Oh!
Honestly, I could care less whether you feel cursed or happy to have a notebook. Normally, humans who come into contact with a Shinigami have nothing but misfortune. But I have no intentions of repeating that pattern. Well, I hope you're right about that.
What I need is a good freaking story, not this crap.
Ooh.
Get out there and find me a story.
This is for you.
What is it?
Someone sent you clues about the investigation. Who? And what
This
clues?
is more like it. A message to the world from Kira. If you do not broadcast these tapes, I will kill your company's board of directors one by one. For real, our ratings are gonna go through the roof. Holy crap! I'm so excited I feel like I'm having a heart attack here.
It's gonna be your voice but transformed. A message on the media coming from Kira to do what? To spread your message about what the new world is gonna be, the fact that you are their new god and all. Why do I think that maybe it's not Light who did it? That it can be a way to play with Light. I think that it's not Light who did that message, in fact. I think that it's the cops who did it. It's a false message it's gonna say wrong stuff, which are totally the contradiction of what Light thinks and all. It's to make him mad, to humiliate him again. I think that because in one previous episode, when Elle was explaining to the cops what they were gonna do, he said something like, we can use the media. Can it be right there? I think that it's because of that, you know, that I think that it's not Light who is sending that message, it's the cops acting like they are Kira to spread the wrong message, to make him mad, to humiliate him, to force him to do something stupid, to reveal himself. Like, Elle is trying since 2 episodes now to force Light to reveal himself by telling him that he's Elle and see how he's reacting, and after that by telling him that he thinks that Light is one of his main suspects, again to see how he was gonna react. You're surprising me, I really didn't know that it was gonna be that. I'm really bad with this anime, you know, to anticipate each character's actions. I'm just following them, you know. I'm saying to Elle, you have to anticipate Kira's actions if you want to double him, if you want to do things right, but I can't do it. Or maybe Elle is finally doing it, and that's why I can't double the one who is in advance for Light, who is already trying to do stuff. Do you understand? Maybe it's because of that. Elle revealed to Light that he's one of the main suspects after a game, a tennis game with these two playing so hard to be the winner and all. It was so fun and so great, you know, to see the two of them trying to anticipate how the other one was thinking about this game, but also about the situation, what the other one was gonna do and all. Every time that Elle is saying what he thinks that Light is, you know, how he's acting, every time that he's judging, you know, Light's emotions, maybe it's more something like that. Every time that Elle is judging Light's emotions, it's making me lost, because he's so judgy, you know. Like when he's saying to him that he's selfish, that he's acting cheesy and all. Elle, you have really no filter. And right there, it's a case. Really no filter with Light. Is playing the transparent card, which is logical, because if he thinks that he's Kira, that Light is Kira, he just confessed that he's Elle. He knows that Kira knows that they are investigating on him. You know, it's almost logical that he's revealing to Light that they are investigating on him, because he thinks that Light is Kira, so he already knows it. So it's almost, you know, that episode and these 2 episodes in fact together, like, okay, I'm gonna tell you everything, so from now, if you are telling me something that you shouldn't know because I didn't tell you, or that I didn't know myself, it means that you are Kira. And right there, it was that, you know, the test with the letters to put the words into the right order, and after that, you know, the fake letter, it was for that. How Light reacted during that moment. He was mad, and he acted like he was mad because Elle didn't give him all of the letters at the same time, but in fact no, he was mad just because it was a fake letter and he didn't know how to react, and he knew that Elle was trying to trap him right there. this game between the two of them, it's really who is gonna break first, who is gonna say something wrong first. And they are playing it so well, they are always anticipating the other one action, like during the game, you know, the tennis game. For how long can it last? Light, you just had your confirmation, this is L. Your own father told you that. You said that you were gonna work with these cups, but not for now. You want your father to be healthy again. It sounds like an hypocrite, you know. Elle said that it sounded cheesy. For me, you know, to promise to his father that if his father is hurt during this investigation, he's gonna chase Kira himself and kill him, you are Kira. And I can't believe you, and I think that you're an hypocrite even more because of the fact that I'm afraid of one day you being forced to kill your father to protect yourself. It's making me sad and mad in advance because really his father is maybe the only character into this anime that I truly love. You know, I love the other characters because of how clever they are, the interesting characters that they are. Light's dad, it's really more, you know, a feeling that I have for him. I have an affection for him. He's brave, he's really... How he responded right there to his superior. He had some balls, you know, to respond to him like that. And what he's ready to do, to risk for this investigation, to risk his life, and also to be okay to investigate on his own family, on his own son, to be someone really good to do things like that. And also he trusts Elle for real, and he understands Elle logic also. He defended him at first, also right now, but you know what I mean by that. The fact that he had an heart attack right there, I don't like that. Really? You have to survive. What are you gonna do next, Elle? I have the impression that Elle has a plan in mind and is following it. You know that moment at the beginning of the last episode with him confessing to himself that he was blocked, that he can't do anything else with the camera, that he had to find a new way to think of things to act. It was really not a confession of failure, but a confession that he can't do anything else. So I have the impression that he really planned something new, or maybe that he accepted to not plan anything and to just act and confront Light, telling him that he is L, telling him that he is one of the main suspects, to keep an eye on him and to continue to investigate on him, to be closer to his suspect by that way. I don't think that at some point they're gonna become friends. I don't think so. You know, because they are close and all, maybe they can create some feelings, you know, some kind of friendship. I really don't think so. I said feelings, now I think about what I said in intro, you know, these fanfics, I'm sure that they exist about these two. But yes, I don't think that a friendship can be created between them, but I think that it's risky because of this game, you know, really that they have with each other, who is gonna break first. And even if one of them will break first, is it gonna be enough? Maybe it's gonna be just a little thing, just a little doubt. The fact that Elle still has doubts about Light being really Kira, but from 5%, now it's 7% of risk that this is Kira. It's really like that, Elle. It's really fun. And Light, what can you do? You know, if my theory is right about these tapes not coming from Light but coming from the cops who want to make a trap for Light, we're gonna see him again losing his temper and all during the next episode. Or maybe I'm wrong and it was truly Light, and right there, Light, you planned something new. because for now, for these 2 episodes, even if Light you won that game, the tennis game, I have the impression that Elle won the 2 last episodes. So maybe it's time for Light to win 1 episode, the next one, with these tapes. We'll see. And yes, I'm gonna see that right now. I'm gonna watch 1 more episode. I'm glad. I didn't know if I would have the time or not. But yes, I have the time. 1 more episode for me today. For you, it's gonna be in another day, maybe in another week. I don't know. Check the schedule that I'm posting each Monday on Patreon, YouTube and Twitter. And you will know. So it's all for you for today. And it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.